We live in a remarkable time. Humanity has created a new universe, a digital cosmos of information and value. This is the world of cryptocurrency. It's a fascinating realm with immense potential. Imagine a world without borders, where transactions flow freely like starlight across the galaxy. But like the cosmos itself, the crypto universe has its dangers. This digital frontier is still young. Its rules are being written as we explore. And like early explorers venturing into uncharted territories, there are risks. We've seen the dazzling potential of cryptocurrencies, but we've also witnessed spectacular failures. These events are not merely financial. They are opportunities for us to learn, adapt, and build a more secure future. The recent hack of WazirX serves as a stark reminder of these risks. It was a wake-up call for the entire crypto community, showing just how vulnerable even the most trusted platforms can be. Imagine a star, burning bright with potential, only to suddenly collapse in on itself. This is a powerful metaphor for what happens when a major security breach occurs in the crypto world. That's what happened when hackers made off with an estimated $230 million. This wasn't just a theft, it was a digital heist of epic proportions, shaking the very foundations of the crypto market. This event sent shockwaves through the crypto universe. The ripple effects were felt far and wide, affecting not just WazirX, but the entire ecosystem. It exposed vulnerabilities, shaking the confidence of investors and users alike. People began to question the safety of their investments and the reliability of the platforms they trusted. This event highlighted a crucial aspect of the crypto universe: security. It underscored the importance of having robust security measures in place to protect digital assets. Just as our planet relies on a delicate balance of forces, the crypto world needs robust security measures. Without this balance, the entire system can collapse, much like a star imploding. Without them, it becomes vulnerable to cosmic predators, ready to exploit any weakness. These cyber predators are always on the lookout for opportunities to strike. The WazirX hack served as a wake-up call. It was a stark reminder that no system is infallible and that constant vigilance is required. It forced us to confront the fragility of existing systems and the urgent need for better safeguards. The crypto community must now focus on strengthening these systems to prevent future breaches and ensure the safety of digital assets. In the aftermath of such events, governments around the world are grappling with this new reality, trying to find a balance between innovation and regulation. They are like astronomers, observing a new celestial phenomenon, trying to understand its laws and implications. This digital galaxy is vast and uncharted, requiring careful study and thoughtful governance. Japan, a country known for its technological advancements, faced its own set of challenges in the crypto sphere. Their journey has been a mix of trial and error, learning from both successes and failures. Their experiences, like ripples in space-time, have impacted the US market and beyond. The interconnected nature of global finance means that one country's policies can have far-reaching effects. Regulations are often seen as a constraint, a limit to innovation. However, they are also essential for creating a safe and predictable environment for growth. But in the context of the crypto universe, they can be viewed as gravitational forces. These forces help maintain order and prevent chaos in an otherwise volatile market. Just as gravity brings order to the cosmos, regulations can provide a framework for stability and security in the crypto world. They ensure that transactions are secure and that markets remain stable. They can help prevent future supernovas by establishing clear rules, ensuring transparency, and protecting users. By doing so, they create a more trustworthy and resilient digital financial system for everyone involved. Amidst these challenges, a new star has emerged in the crypto universe: the Pi Network. Pi Network represents a fundamentally different approach to cryptocurrency. It's built on a foundation of inclusivity and accessibility, aiming to bring the power of blockchain technology to everyone. Imagine a universe where everyone, regardless of their technical expertise, can participate in this new digital economy. At the heart of Pi Network lies the Pi coin, its native cryptocurrency. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that rely on energy-intensive mining processes, Pi is mined using a phone-based approach. This innovative approach ensures minimal environmental impact while allowing users to contribute to the network's security. Think of it as harnessing the collective energy of millions of smartphones, creating a constellation of computing power. One of Pi Network's key innovations is its emphasis on Know Your Customer, or KYC, verification. In the vast expanse of the digital world, anonymity can be a double-edged sword. While it offers privacy, it can also be exploited for malicious purposes. KYC acts like a cosmic magnifying glass, allowing Pi Network to better understand its users. KYC is not about invading privacy, it's about building trust. By verifying user identities, Pi Network creates a more secure environment for everyone. It helps prevent fraud and ensures that the network is not used for illicit activities. This commitment to security is what sets Pi Network apart. It's about building a responsible and sustainable crypto ecosystem. The current state of security in the broader crypto universe often resembles a chaotic nebula, full of unknown and unpredictable dangers. Many cryptocurrencies operate without robust KYC procedures, leaving gaps in security. This lack of identity verification creates a breeding ground for various illicit activities. It's like navigating a spaceship through an asteroid field without a radar or any guidance. Traditional crypto exchanges have become prime targets for skilled hackers. These exchanges, often operating with minimal regulation, can be highly vulnerable to sophisticated attacks. The lack of a unified approach to security further exacerbates the overall problem. It's like each planet in a solar system having its own independent security force, with no communication or coordination at all. Section 7 Interpol, Galactic Guardians of the Physical World. To understand the importance of a unified approach to security, we can look at organizations like Interpol. In our physical world, Interpol acts as a global police force, facilitating international cooperation to combat crime. They demonstrate the power of collaboration in tackling shared threats. Imagine a similar organization for the crypto universe. A unified effort in the crypto space could involve sharing information about potential threats, coordinating responses to attacks, and developing common security standards. Just as astronomers from different countries collaborate to study the cosmos, stakeholders in the crypto world need to work together to ensure its safety and stability. Section 8. Pi Network's Future, a constellation of possibilities. Pi Network's commitment to KYC and its innovative approach to security position it as a potential beacon in the crypto universe. As the network continues to grow, it has the potential to become a model for others to follow. Imagine a future where Pi Network's security standards become the norm, creating a safer and more trustworthy crypto space for everyone. Pi Network's journey is still unfolding. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the potential of blockchain technology to revolutionize the way we think about currency and value. Just as the invention of the telescope revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos, Pi Network has the potential to reshape our relationship with money. Section 9. The importance of cosmic exploration. Your role in the crypto universe. The world of cryptocurrency is vast and full of wonders, but it also has its share of risks. It's up to each of us to approach this new frontier with a sense of curiosity, caution, and responsibility. Just as we wouldn't venture into space without proper training and preparation, we should approach the crypto universe with knowledge and awareness. Do your research, understand the risks involved, and choose platforms like Pi Network that prioritize security and transparency. The future of cryptocurrency depends on informed and responsible users. Your participation, your voice, and your vigilance are crucial in shaping this exciting new frontier. Section 10. Keep looking up. The future of secure transactions. The crypto universe is constantly evolving, with new innovations and technologies emerging at a rapid pace. New stars are born, old ones fade away, and the very fabric of this digital cosmos is constantly being rewritten, reshaped by the hands of visionaries and pioneers. But one thing remains constant: the need for security, transparency, and trust. These are the pillars that uphold the integrity of digital transactions. Pi Network is not just another cryptocurrency. It stands out as a beacon of innovation and reliability in a crowded market. It represents a new way of thinking about digital transactions, one that prioritizes user security and seamless interaction. It's a future where security is not an afterthought, but a fundamental principle, embedded in every transaction and interaction. It's a future where everyone has the opportunity to participate in the digital economy, regardless of their technical expertise, creating a more inclusive and equitable financial landscape. This is the promise of Pi Network, and it's a future worth striving for. A future where technology serves the people, not the other way around. So, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep looking up at the ever-expanding universe of possibilities. The journey has just begun, and the future is bright.